Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this look right here. I'll show you how to do the eyeshadow using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. First I'm going in with the color Ludwin, which is just kind of a light color that will even out your entire eyelid. Just applying that all over my entire lid from lashes to eyebrow. So I'm just applying lattice into the crease and blending out. This is going to be an easy transition color for us. And just continuing to blend and blend and blend. Next I'm going into Lucius, which is a darker toned color which will deepen the crease even further. The key with this look is you are going to apply these colors in stages and blend each of them out so they're nice and soft. So as you can see, I'm continually going over the outer edges in a circular motion to make sure we're really blended well here. Next I'm going back into lattice from what we used in the crease before and going along my bottom lash line. Over top of lattice I'm going in with Lucius, which will darken this up. You can go in as far as you would like. I typically go about 3/4 in and make sure that's really well blended. Then to even deepen the crease, I'm going in with a color Solace, which I did not show you, but it is a darker brown color from the Kat Von D palette. And then I am just popping on right on top of my lids. I'm going in with Ludwin, which will help kind of make our eyes stand out a little bit more. And then just going back in with my blender brush and smoothing everything out. The brushes I'm using today are from Morphe. I don't know the exact name of the brushes, but I will link all of that information below. And then I'm going back in with my brow highlight with the color Ludwin, which we originally started with, and going back into those lighter areas. I'm going to line my eyelashes with the Urban Decay 24 liner in 0, which is just black. This is probably one of my tried and true eyeliners. I haven't really tried anything else because this is really the one that works best for me and there's no reason to stray from it. Along with the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner Liquid Liner Pen, which to me is my holy grail. It is amazing. I love the brush applicator. You can get really precise with it. And as you can see, I'm just kind of dragging it in short motions across my lid, and then I'm going in and creating my wing. And don't stress out too much over this. A wing liner just takes practice and a lot of patience. Going in on the other side, and I'm going to try and make it as even as I can to match up with the other eye. As you can see, I'm using more of the side of the brush to apply my liner. Looking to make sure I'm going to be somewhat even and going in and just making that line. Part of doing a winged liner, I personally think, is knowing when to walk away and when good enough is good enough. I will link the lashes I am wearing today down below in the description bar. If you guys want a lash tutorial, definitely comment below and let me know. Now I am applying my liquid lipstick, which is by Jeffree Star in the color Unicorn Blood, which to me, I absolutely love this color. It's the perfect deep, dark red that goes with pretty much any skin tone. As you can see, I'm a little bit OCD about my lips, so I don't bore you all too much with watching me do this for forever. I apply my lips and then that is the completed look. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial. If you have any suggestions for future videos, definitely comment below. Please subscribe and share, and I will see you all next time.